Hello and welcome to EMR Optimization for Cancer Screening, Accuro EMR. This video will demonstrate how to set up an individual task for cervical cancer screening, and it's part of training module number 3. The objective of this training video is to help Accuro EMR users learn the basic steps for setting up an individual cancer screening task. Before we begin, I would just like to mention that the task demonstration was developed using Cancer Care Ontario's cancer screening guidelines and recommendations. So let's start. From anywhere in the patient chart, press F7 to access the patient task window and then click New Task. In the New Task window, click the down arrow on the task drop-down list. From here, you can do one of two things. You can choose a pre-existing task name from the drop-down list, or you can scroll all the way to the bottom of the list and choose Manage to add a new task name to the list. We will do the latter and add a new task name. In the Edit Task Reasons window, click the Add button. Enter in the name of your task, click OK, and then click Close. Your new task name has been added to the task drop-down list. It's important to note that you should not duplicate a task that already exists. It's a good idea to have one task per screening category, like we have here. Select your task name and enter any other important information. This is where you would want to tailor the task for the specific individual. Do they have an increased risk? You can add in this information for future reference. Once you're finished adding in your task information, click OK. Your task has now been added to the Patient Task module. By adding individual tasks, anyone in the practice can access the Patient's Task module to see when they will be due again for screening. And that brings us to the end of this demonstration. The next training video in this module is on managing tasks. The last video in this module will show you a demonstration of how to run a task report. Thanks very much for watching.